Jing, 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 part 2. All right, so we missed that last part and it says 2 divided by 1.25 equals, wait a second. Oh, wait, 2 divided by 1.25. 1.6. I totally agree with you. Good job, Sky. All right, let's try another one of these. Since we already started up a jing just to get that last piece of answer. Oh my goodness, that looks craziness, craziness, craziness. All right, are these quadrilaterals similar? Not yeah, they're quadrilaterals because there's four sides to them. I'll give you a hint. Are they? Yes? No? Maybe? They are not congruent, but they are similar. I'll tell you why they are not congruent. If they were congruent, they not only have to have the same shape, but they also have to have the exact same size, where all of the numbers have to be the same. So I disagree with the idea that they're congruent, but I agree with you with the fact that they're similar. A, because they kind of look similar. B, because we can test that out. But most importantly, they told us that they're similar. So we're going to go with that. Now, we got to figure out what the length of x is. I'm going to do this in kind of a little bit different style. Oh, okay. Sky actually meant, she meant similar, but congruent means exactly the same. Right. You're just getting your definitions a little bit mixed up, but that's fine and dandy, and don't worry about it because everyone kind of, makes a mistake here and there. All right, let's try this one on for size. Now, what I'm going to do is I definitely want to choose one x as one of my sides because I want to figure out what x is. Do you get that? If I want to get x to figure out what it is, I need to choose x as one of my sides. So I'm going to have x divided by, what is the corresponding side to x on the other figure? $1.4? No, not 1.4. 1.4 is over here. What I mean is x is on the right side. What's the number that's on the right side of this figure? 3. Are we cool with that, Justice? All right. No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. This is new ideas for you, so it's totally fine. All right, now choose a different side on the left figure. Are we going to go top, bottom, or left? Which way? Any side. It doesn't matter. If they're similar, this should all work. All right, we're going to go left. So it's equal to 1.4 divided by, now what is the corresponding side of this figure? What's the length of that one? 2. Okay. Now, my only hint, or not only hint, but the one thing I want you to really make sure of is if you start with this one, x divided by 3, then when you set it equal to each other, you have to choose another one from this one divided by that one. You can't go x divided by 3 is equal to 2 divided by 1.4. That doesn't make sense because you started with this one and went here, and then you went here and then went here, and that doesn't make sense. You need to start with this one. If you're putting this one on top to begin with, then this one needs to go on top as well to begin with. Does that make sense, or did I just confuse you more? All right. Here's what I need to do. Sky, you've got the calculator. What is x divided by 3 equals, what's 1.4 divided by 2? We have 40 seconds left. 0.7. All right. How do I get rid of that divide by 3? I need to get x all by itself. What's your thoughts? I should pause it.